Hello friends, the link for the OB registration for DU Soul semester 1st and semester 3rd students is activated now. You can go and register for that for your OB exams. Semester 1st students, you have to click on the new registration option and fill your details here. As you can see in the picture, the green button new registration, you have to go there and fill all your details. Now there is a mode, you have to choose mode, that is semester, and there is a select program, you have to choose your course. What's your course is BCom honors, whatever it is. Now you have to enter your examination name as per your admit card. You have to check your admit card and then examination roll number and click on the submit button. In the next slide you will see an OTP. You have to enter the OTP which you are going to receive on your phone or your email, on your registered phone or your email. The number you have registered at the time of your admission, only that number you can use for your OTP. The next is that you have to reset your password here. You can create your own password and you have to remember it for later exams, for further exams, because every time you're going to use the same password you will need it again and again, your roll number and your password. Now your registration is complete for semester first students. You can see the green tick. You can log in now. Now you have to log in to check you have the details you have filled are correct or not. You will fill your examination roll number here and password and log in into that. And after login, if you want to give mock test, you can appear in your mock test. And for your examination, that is BCom honors, it gonna is activated at the time of your examination. You can also check your details here. There's a student profile option, your profile. You have to go there and check all the details here. If there is any problem in the details, you have to contact the Soul administration so that they can correct your details. So you have to check it so that at the time of examination you don't face any problem. Make sure to check your subjects also, that the subjects you have applied for all are appearing on the list or not. You can check it on the admit card also. There the paper code, timing, date, the schedule of your papers. All the schedule of papers are over there. Check it properly. Now you can check it here also. The papers with the paper code are written here, and if any subject is missing, then you can contact them as soon as possible. As you can see, there's a thing called note. Check your papers in programs section. If any paper is missing, you have to contact them. You have to check your details here, department, college, name, everything. So guys, best of luck for your exams. Hope you will all do well. Prepare yourself well, and all the material that you have collected, put them together at the time of the examination. And is a tip for you: the first page of your answer sheet that you have to fill in of your personal information, you can write it down a day before or a night before your exam, so that it's gonna save your time at the time of the examination. Do the things as much as you can before your exams, because if you need any time at the time of the examination, any more further time at the time of the examination, these will gonna save your time. Little things like keeping the stationery at one place, the books at one place, all the books, all tiny papers, DU Soul study material, all the PDFs, you can put it on your phone. You can use Google Chrome, Google for your answers. Just put them together so that at the last moment you don't face any problems, and try to complete as soon as possible. There's one more tip for you: don't go for all the papers together. What I mean to say is that if you have completed one question answer, then you have just click the photographs of that particular answer, turn into a PDF not more than 7 MB, and then and start uploading. As the first answer is uploading, you can start writing your second answers on your papers. It's gonna save your time. Do not upload all the answers at the same time. You are gonna face huge problem, and it will definitely will gonna be a minus point in your exams. So these are the tips from my side for you. So go guys, best of luck for your exams. Hope you all do well. Thank you. Yeah, do subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. Later I will share all the question papers or the answers if you want. The format in which you have to give your write your answers, or maybe the tips you can gain more marks in your OBE. I will upload a particular video on that, how to present your answers in your OBE exam later. Do subscribe the channel if you like the video. Like it, share it, subscribe it, comment if you want. Thank you all.